Mr. Ash Mafera's old news, September 12th, 2020 Tide. This is what he said. A word about leadership and speculation. We feel the energy, the creative spark, a fire of loyalty burning in the dark. You're on the platform, shouting out the name. Your dedication fans the hopeful flame. For that we say thank you. But from a place of care and the best intent, some words are spoken, not how they were meant. Their speculation, wishes from the heart, but from the truth they've drifted far apart. We need a fact-driven focus, clarity of life, to stand together, make the journey bright. No room for guesses, though the love is real. A line on truth and a united feel. This is a radical shift, a brand new way. The future's dawning on a brand new day. Mr. Ash Mufera's admiration of his founders was gentle and very caring. It's like he was using discipline without using the rod. This was a needed reminder. We don't have to hype, the proof will be rendered when it is time. True leaders don't speculate, they align. Why are we still looking in the rearview mirror? Who wants to ride in the old vehicle when the new one is radically different and far better? He asked for patience, for a little trust. The facts are coming just around the dusk. Not through the whispers, not through the guess, but through the right channels to truly bless. And when it comes, it won't be what you thought. A transformative promise, newly wrought. So hold your horses, hold your tongues with care, to show the world how much we truly dare. We need a fact-driven focus, clarity of light, to stand together, make the journey bright. No room for guesses, though the love is real. A line on truth and a united feel. This is a radical shift, a brand new way. The future's dawning on a brand new day. He values our voices, he values our passion. We're building a dream in a radical fashion. So together, aligned with truth as our guide. This big, bold, beautiful dream we will ride, stronger than ever, side by side. We got that fact-driven focus, clarity of light. We stand together, make the journey bright. No room for guesses, though the love is real. We're allergic on truth with a united feel. This is a radical shift, the only way. The future's starting on this brand new day. Stay tuned, wonderful thing. Stay tuned. coming soon. Stay tuned. Wonderful things are coming soon.